Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn how to play a fun Mexican dance called La Raspa. La Raspa is a dance that originated in the state of Veracruz in Mexico. First, we're going to sing and clap the song. There are no words to this dance, so I'm just going to sing the solfege for you. All right, here we go. It starts on so. 1, 2, 3, 4. So do, so do, so do. So do, re, do, ti, do, re. So ti, so ti, so ti. So ti, do, ti, la, ti, do, so do. Now let's learn to play it on the piano. La Raspa uses notes from the C major scale. So I'm going to warm up by playing the C major scale. I'll start with my right hand, then I'll do my left hand. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Okay, left hand. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. All right, let's start with our right hand, as we like to do. So what do we have here? We start on the G with our second finger. So this first G above middle C. And then, notice these two are stacked together, right? So this is the C stacked on top of this E. So that's the first C above middle C and the first E above middle C. And when they're stacked, it means we play them at the same time. So that's our 1 and 5 finger, like this. Okay? So that's G. And then we're going to play these two stacked together at the same time. Okay, now what? This is G again, but it's an octave up, right? So it's 2 G's above middle C. So it's this one. And then we have C and E again with our 1 and 5 finger stacked. Okay, and then what's this? An octave up from there. So 3 G's above middle C. So up here. And we have the C and E stacked again, 1 and 5. Okay, can we do that much? Let's try it. So we have G and then C and E. And then up here. And then up here. Okay, good. And then the next line, it's just a little melody here. So it's our 1 finger on that G. And then 4th finger on the C. D. Back down to C. B. And then C. D. Oh, it's starting to sound familiar, right? Okay, next line. It's G again. And then, this is a little different. We have F and B. So here's the F and here's the B. We're going to play our 1 or 4 fingers. Okay, good. And we do the same thing where we jump up the octave, right? So we have G with our second finger and then F and B again. Okay. And jump up the octave again. Okay, excellent. And then what do we have? Final line. We have G and then B with our third finger. C, back to B, down to A, and then up to B and C. Well, that sounds familiar too, right? Now what's this? Second G above middle C, right there. Second finger, and then E and C. Right? Let's just do that last line again. So we have the melody. So G, B, C, B, A, B, C, and then up here, G, and then C and E. All right, let's play the whole thing from the beginning, just the right hand. So starting again on that G with our second finger, right? And we're going to play the E and C. So we have, and then jump up, and jump up, right? And then the melody, C, D, C, B, C, D. Okay, next line. We have G and then F and B flat, B. Jump up. Jump up. Okay, a little melody again. B, C, B, A, B, C. And jump up here. Excellent. Okay, time for the left hand. What do we have here? We have E and C below middle C. So here's middle C. We have E and C, and it says 1 and 3 finger. Okay. Same. Exactly the same. Okay. What else do we notice? We notice that these are stacked with these, right? So that means every time it's stacked, we play them at the same time. So we're going to play this when we play the C and E in our right hand, right there. same here, and same here. So we would play it like this. So we're gonna play the G first, right? And play the left hand with the right hand. There you go. And then jump up, and jump up again. Just like that. Excellent. Now, let's come down here to the next line. Okay, now that same C that we were playing is gonna be played with our 5th finger, okay? And then we're gonna play the E with our 3rd finger, and then F and G above that with our 1 and 2 fingers. And remember, these all line up, and so that's when you play them together. Okay, next line. We have F and G again. You know that one. Okay, easy, we got that. Next line, F and G, same thing. Okay, now it changes. Oh, remember we did this one already. So this E and C down here with our 1 and 3 fingers. And then we have the 2nd G below middle C. So that's the first one, there's the 2nd one. It says 2 or 1 finger. I'll use my 1 finger. And then 2nd C below middle C. Okay, so let's put that last line together. We have G and F, okay, G and F again, and then this E and C, and then these last 2 notes. All right, should we try playing the whole left hand? All right, let's play the whole left hand now. So starting here at the beginning, we have the E and C, so let's start there. And then switch that finger. Again, down here, last notes. Excellent. So now practice both hands separately until they're super comfortable, right? And now we're gonna put them together. All right, let's see. We have right hand on the G there. And then we go here, and left hand's gonna be on the E and C. So we have G, and then, okay, good. And then jump up, right? And then jump up the octave again. We get it? And then down to this melody. Switch in the left hand. Okay, next line. In the F there, good. Jump up. Jump up. Okay, and next line, the melody. Oops. And then these last notes, remember? Excellent. Okay, let's do it just a little bit faster, and we'll do it in rhythm. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So keep practicing, practice, and we're gonna take it a little bit faster now. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today, we learned how to play a Mexican dance called La Raspa. So remember, practice all your songs and your scales, sing as you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!